Good morning, guys. This is Tadro. Is this the vlog for today? Raining season. Raining season pero summer here in Saudi. Kaya naman, Saudi umuulan. Tignan nyo guys. Oh. Kita nyo naman. Oh. See? Ang lakas na ulan dyan guys. Oh. Malabas yan guys. Oh. Baha pa. Nakikita nyo yun. Siyempre, first time dito sa Saudi. Kala ko mainit lang. Pero, umuulan pala. Ay, nako. Guys, yun yun. Ito yung kasama ko. Wait natin dito. Mag-serve tayo ngayon dito. This is my friend, Saud. Hi to my vlog, Saud. This is my friend, Saud. Yeah. Say hello to my vlog.
Hello.
Say hello, Philippines.
Hello, Filipini.
Yeah.
How are you? Good.
And this one, my friend also. See? You said guapo. You said guapo.
Hmm?
Guapo.
Wapo?
Yeah. Meaning handsome.
Nice. You handsome.
This one need girlfriend. Kaya kayo mga guys, kailangan nyo. Mayaman to dito. Too much rich this one. This one too much rich. Too much pulos. This one guys. Need girls ha. Follow me. Subscribe my YouTube. Daddy Ro. Goodbye.